Whoa, Lollipop, aren't I glad to see you? Step on in here and let me show you how to create this sticky sweet. Hey guys, so let's get into it. Today I'm going to show you how to make this life-size lollipop prop. We're going to go with the theme. Everyone saw my bra that spun. For your styrofoam lollipop, we've taken 3 pool noodles and then we use a complementary color in the yellow. This is actually the fluorescent yellow duct tape, and we glued those 3 together. I've got here some battery operated sunflowers that I'm going to put on the handle. Now your handle is just a mop or a broom handle that we've painted. We're going to take our heated scalpel knife here and we're going to create a hole in the bottom to put our mop handle. All right, so we're going to begin with our trusty glue gun. And what I like to do is put a little bit of the glue inside there, let it sit for a second or two, and then I put in the mop handle, which I start to twist, also to secure it with more glue around the edges. Let's hit them with the lights, camera, action. We're going to hit them with the battery operated LED. Once we get that situated, then we're going to go on top and we're going to add the clear wrapping, which is the oversized Easter basket shrink wrap. All right, let's tie it on down now. I'm using curling ribbon, but you can use any type of decorative ribbon. I'm just going to secure this here, and I've got some tape, but I have these matching sunflower lights that I'm going to be adding, and they light up as well. And look at it, it's so cute. Activate the light power. Love it. All right, all right, all right. Look at that. You did that, okay? So all that is left is for you to put on a sickening face and outfit and stomp our way through the festival. All right, so check it out. This completes the tutorial of this life-size lollipop prop, complete with lights. It's great. There's so many variations you can do, and I would love to see yours. So please be sure to tag me when you make your own. You also can put a QR code on here, and you can trace it throughout the night at festivals. I like to place a couple of these at the festival, and then people will check in throughout the night with the QR code and let me know where they are and load up photos to my Instagram and to my social media. Also, it's a great opportunity to have a totem for your crew when you're at a rave. If someone goes to the bathroom or if you lose them, you can stick this up in the air and they're sure to find you. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and I'll see you soon.